everyone, I'm Susan Mulvihill, and this is the second in a series of videos about starting your own plants from seed. Today I'm going to plant some leeks, and even if you're not planting leeks, the concepts are the same. So I'm going to take you through the steps. You will need clean containers, germination or seed starting mix, seeds, finely milled sphagnum moss, a clear cover or plastic bag, and labels to mark your plantings. For this video, I'm planting leek seeds. Leeks are members of the allium or onion family and have thick white stalks that are delicious in soups and casseroles. I like to start them quite early, around the 1st of February, because the seedlings take quite a while to grow. In areas with cold winters, it's best to choose a short season variety like King Richard. It matures in about 75 days. You plant it in the spring and harvest it in the fall. Always refer to the seed packet for important information such as how deep to plant the seeds, how far apart to space the seedlings when you transplant them in the garden later, when to transplant them, and any special care issues. Since I only want about 3 dozen leeks, I'm using 6 6-cell pony packs and placing them inside a plastic flat. You can also use other types of containers, provided they have drainage holes, but I find these plastic pony packs and inserts to be the easiest to work with. For best results, purchase a seed starting mix, which is often referred to as a germination mix. Don't use garden soil as it won't drain well and might contain diseases that can affect the growth of your seedlings. Moisten the seed starting mix with warm water to the point where it's lightly damp, just like a wrung-out sponge. Next, fill in the cells of your pony packs or your flat insert or other container with seed starting mix. After that, I like to push down into each cell with my fingers to slightly compress the seed starting mix. Now you're ready to plant. As you can see, leek seeds are small and black. That makes them a bit hard to see when you're planting, so I have to put on some reading glasses just so I can see what I'm doing. Leek seeds are planted 1/4 inch deep. Just put 1 seed into each cell. Make yourself a label that notes the type of plant and, if you like, the planting date for future reference. Now here's something a little unusual, but it works great. There's a fungal disease called damping off that will quickly kill off a whole flat of seedlings. Research has shown that finely milled sphagnum moss will prevent this, so I lightly sprinkle the surface of the planting flat with it. As you can see, I don't use much. You can find this product at well-stocked garden centers. It's inexpensive and a little will last you a long time. Now it's time to cover your flat with either a clear plastic cover or a plastic bag which you will tie shut. This increases the humidity, which in turn helps the seeds to germinate or sprout. You should place the flat in either a warm, light place like a sunny window or under plant lights if you have them. I'm lucky in that I have a 2-tiered grow light setup which works great. I have the lights on a timer so they will automatically turn on and off. They come on around 6 a.m. and turn off at about 9 p.m. As you can see, I placed the light right above the plastic cover on the flat. Lights really should be close to the soil surface for best results. Keep the lid on the flat until the majority of the seeds have germinated, then remove it. If the seedling mix looks dry to you, the easiest way to moisten it is with a spray bottle of water. A fine mist works best. Stay tuned for a follow-up on what to do once your seedlings are up and growing. Happy gardening!